Hello, my name is Gary Sweeney with Team 8, and this is the demo for our project. So, the idea for this final project was to identify common objects in context using a trained library. So, in this code, you can see we set up this parameter objects. There's a lot of objects to choose from, and this project was a little overpowered for the Pi, which is why we can see the frame rate for the playback is so dang slow. I recommended a Pi 4 for this project, and honestly, I see why. It's because the processing takes a really long time on the Pi, but we can do some tricks to speed it up. So this is what we began working with, pretty slow, frame at a time, and that's just not going to cut it. So if we do alter the code a little bit, the first thing we did is we removed some of the object identification. So this one only identifies humans with a confidence interval. As you can see there, anything tagged with person will show up. It's going to be a little bit faster, but it's still pretty slow and one frame at a time. We don't get to much of the meat of the video. So what we did next is frame num modulus. Every 15 frames get processed. So the video seems more choppy, but it's more of an accurate representation over time of what's being shown on the camera. And here we have every object showing up. And you can see there, it recognized my keyboard as a laptop and then a TV, but it was a low interval. My bed is a couch, so on and so forth. So the final tweak, what we did is we had it only identify people. And here we can see a full video. So it only plays on video that has been recorded. We couldn't get it working in real time because it was just too dang slow. So what I did is I recorded a video here using the Raspberry Pi camera, using a command, and it outputs a file. And then once the file is output, I drag it to the project to be put there. And then once I run the program, there's the file that we output to. And this one is also modulus 15. So every 15 frames get processed, and it draws a box around what it sees and gives us a confidence interval on it. And yeah, if I were to do this project again, we would probably upgrade to a more powerful Pi, or just do it on a native computer, because it's a little bit out of the depth for a Raspberry Pi 3. But yeah, that's it for the demo. Thank you so much for watching.